guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working with two transfers, Farmhouse Tile and a whole lot of love. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take this great big transfer, the Farmhouse Tile, and take it off of the backer. It's very sticky. And I'm going to place it on my surface. This is going to be the background. So I don't want it to be too busy, so I am putting black velvet chalk paste on it. Yes, I am putting black on black. I am using our big handle squeegee. I did take the handle off of it. It's just easier for me to handle, to control. And the only time I really use this one is if I have a big surface to cover and it's all one color. They do have a newer one. This is the older model. So I don't have that one, so I'm not sure how that is. So just like everything else, I take off the excess of the paste and put it back in the jar. Now when you take it up, you take it on the straight edge and pull it straight up. There, see? You thought I was crazy, right? Black on black, but it shows up really nice, tone on tone. Now I'm going to get ready to put the second transfer on, so I got to prep my surface. I don't want the second transfer to pull up the first that I already have down. So I put some wax on it and heat set it a little bit and buffed it. Then I took our transfer, which is very sticky, and fuzzed it, which just is putting it on the towel, take some of the stickiness off of it. And then I used a technique, really kind of chalk and pull. So I did a little bit and then I pulled it up and then I lightly put it back and did the next color. I think I used Eucalyptus, and this is Golden Hour that I'm putting on there now. I'm also going to use Golden Hour for Love and White for a little bit crazy, a little bit loud, and a whole lot of love. A whole lot of. So you just apply the paste, take the excess off. And then I put that back down so I could apply the white. You always want to take the excess off and put it back in your jar. No use washing it down the drain. You can use this again. And just carefully pull it straight up and ta-da! Oh, I wanted to chuck a little more. I'm done. I love that, and I like the way the background shows up. See you next time. Bye.